Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Google Store in Windows or your computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to proceed here at the button search bar and tap for Chrome. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best match. Click on Open to continue and wait until you are being redirected here at the Google Chrome browser itself. So we just have to wait until everything are set or ready here at the Google Chrome so that we can proceed, okay? So here you would be able to see a list of the options at the upper right side of the screen. All you need to do is you need to click on this to see Google Apps, tap on it, and here you need to scroll down and look for Google Store. So let's scroll down and look for it. So if you don't see any of here, all you need to do is you need to click on more from Google. Okay. And you need to scroll down and there you can see Google Store. So all you need to do is you need to click on it or click this arrow icon to proceed. And the moment you have clicked on it, you would be redirected to the Google Store. Okay. So here at the Google Store, okay, you need to select first the country or region or the language that you have. Okay. So in my case, I'll be going with the US or United States. Okay. I'll tap on it as my language as I'll be clicking on continue to proceed. And the moment you are being redirected here at the Google Store, okay, all you need to do is you need to proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. Click on it to customize and control Google Chrome. And you need to go with this option called cast, save, and share. So the moment you have select or the moment you locate your cursor here, you'd be able to see this option where you can see there install page as app. So all you need to do is you need to click on it and it asks you to confirm your action, go with install to proceed. And the moment you have click on install, this window, which is your Google Store for Google made devices and accessories, would appear. So when we close this window and when we close our Google Chrome browser itself, there you will be able to see your Google Store for Google made devices and accessories. Okay? And if we go with our button search bar and if we try to search for it, which is store, okay, there we're able to see the apps under the apps, which is Google Store for made for Google made devices and accessories. Okay, we can open it here. Okay, and if we will double tap to it, here we would be able to open or access our Google Store for Google made devices and accessories. Okay, so this is good, especially if you want to store or will go shopping on the devices and accessories that is good for our anything that is you want to store with or do you want to shop with here at the Google Store. You can search for phones or any devices or accessories that you want to buy too. Okay. So close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.